Hi friends, my name is Vikas. I welcome you all at my YouTube channel. Before starting this video, I'll request you all to like, subscribe this channel so that you can get new notifications and videos. So dear friends, today I will study about the female reproductive system. The female reproductive system consists of two main parts, a pair of ovaries and duct system. The duct system consists of fallopian tube and the uterus, cervix and vagina. These are the two main parts. First, a pair of ovary. So, pair of ovary is attached in the abdominal cavity with the mesothelium. And the ovary release the ovum as well as the female sex hormone. The ovary release two main sex hormone, that is the estrogen and progesterone. Progesterone is also known as pregnancy hormone. So, ovary release these two main female sex hormones. They control the secondary sexual character in females. So, this ovary release the female gamete, that is the ovum, and this is received by the fimbriae. This is the finger-like projection of the infundibulum. Fallopian tube. The fallopian tube is about the 15 centimeter long and it has mainly three parts: isthmus, ampulla and infundibulum. Isthmus is present near the uterus and the ampulla is the wider part. Ampulla is the wider part of the fallopian tube. And the part of the fallopian tube is nearby the ovary is infundibulum. Infundibulum is ants with the finger-like projection, that is called fimbriae. And this finger-like projection receive the ovum during the ovulation. And the uterus, it is the inverted pear-shaped structure. It has mainly three parts: the uterine fundus and the main body part and the cervix. It is the main part. The different layers of the uterus is three. The outermost layer of the uterus is perimetrium, middle layer is called myometrium and the inner layer of the uterus is endometrium. Dear friends, the function of these three different layers are: perimetrium protect or support the uterus, and the myometrium is highly muscularized and it contracts during the parturition process, and the endometrium wall is highly vascularized with blood vessels. And in the endometrium wall, they rupture and make during the menstrual cycle. The first menstrual cycle is known as menarche. The first menstrual cycle. The end of menstrual cycle is known as menopause. It occurs at about 50 years age of the female, and the first menarche takes place during the adolescence period. So myometrium, and now the end of this uterus is cervix, and this leads to the cervical canal, and the vagina receive the semen or sperms during the copulation from the penis, and vagina is also known as birth canal. During the parturition, you can say parturition is the delivery of the baby after the fully development of the fetus in the uterus. The development of the baby, you can see the fetus takes place in this uterus, and this endometrium help in the formation of placenta with the fetus, and placenta provide the nourishment to the fetus, and this endometrium also help in the release of the waste material which produced in the fetus, removed from the body of the fetus. So this is the structure of the female reproductive system. And see, the fertilization of the gametes takes place in the junction, at the junction of isthmus ampullary junction, where the isthmus and ampullary meet at this point. So here the ovum release from the ovary, and the gametes will transfer from the vagina, uterus, and then fallopian tube. Here the fertilization will take place. It's very important where the fertilization takes place. The fertilization takes place in the isthmus ampullary junction in the fallopian tube. So I hope you like this video. If you have any query about this topic, then please comment me. Thank you.